Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make voiceover videos in CapCut in 2025. So whether you are making the tutorials, storytelling videos or YouTube shorts, this new CapCut update makes adding and editing voiceovers super easy. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your CapCut application on your phone or on your PC. Then simply click on the option of New Project in order to access this type of dashboard in front of you. Now click on the option of Import and you need to import all of your main videos or your clips here. After that, simply just drag and drop your videos in the timeline just like so. Then you need to trim them using this particular split option, and you can also delete any of the parts which you don't want in your video. After that, simply go to the option of audio here on the top. Over here you will see the option of voiceover, so you can click on the option of voiceover. After that, select the option of record. Now once you see a red microphone button appears on the timeline, you need to position your playhead where you want your narration to start. After that, simply click on the option of record and start speaking clearly and keep your mic close for better sound. So when you are done, you just have to stop it and your clip will appear here in your timeline. So you can just align it with the help of this particular tool on your timeline, and make sure that you stop it. Your voice clip will appear under the main video track over here. Now you can tap on the voice track option and then you can add further options, like you can trim any of the part from your audio as well. You just have to select your audio just like so, and then you can also split it and delete any of the unwanted part from your audio. After that, you can also use the fade in and out option. So here when you go to the audio section, you will find it over here. So this is the fade in and the fade out option. So according to yourself, you can just simply make changes into it and see how your audio is coming. So with the help of these options, you can just export your audio, and this way you will be able to make your voiceover videos in CapCut. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.